how to navigate Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can navigate on Instagram. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, if you would like to navigate on Instagram, it's also quite very simple to do so, but there are a couple of things that I want you to understand. First of all, if you're talking about navigation, it depends upon what kind of gestures you're using, whether you're using an Android, on iPhone, whether you're using the button gestures or the swipe gestures. So when you open the Instagram app, you're going to be able to see, you can simply swipe like this to be able to scroll through the pages. You can swipe on the story to the right hand side and the left hand side to be able to swipe through the stories. If you want to come to a particular page here, you can just come to your profile page or a Reels tab or the plus icon or the search bar depending on what you want, and you can just hit the back button of your phone of your Instagram application to be able to navigate it. If you tap the DMs icon from the top right, you'll be able to just come to the DMs page where you should be able to customize and talk to most of the people. But then again, if you want to come back, you can just hit the back gesture depending upon the phone and the model that you're using. This way you'll be able to navigate on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.